Welcome back to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with Indian Penal Code under section 505 subclass 1 of IPC. That means 505 subclass 1 explain about statements conducting to public mischief. Section 505 subclass 2 explain about statements creating or promoting enmity, hatred or ill will between classes. Section 505 subclass 3 explain offences under subsection 2 committed in place of worship, etc. Okay. First we'll discuss 505 subclass 1. This act explain about whoever makes, publishes or circulates any statements, rumor or report. Okay. Subclass 505 subclass 1 subclass A, that means with intent to cause or which is likely to cause any officer, soldier, sailor or airman in the army, navy or air force of India to mutiny or otherwise disregard or fail in his duty as such. B. 505 subclass 1 subclass B, with intent to cause or which is likely to cause fear or alarm to the public or to any section of the public whereby any person may be induced to commit an offence against the state or against the public tranquility. Or section 505 subclass 1 subclass C explain about with intent to incite or which is likely to incite any class or community of persons to commit any offence against any other class or community, okay, shall be punished with imprisonment which may extend to 3 years or with the fine or with the both. Okay, the above all three means section 505 subclass 1 A, B, C. Okay. And another part of IPC section 505 subclass 2 explain about whoever makes, publishes or circulates any statements or report containing rumor or alarming news with intent to create or promote or which is likely to create or promote on grounds of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language, caste or community or any other ground whatsoever, feelings of enmity, hatred or ill will between different religion, racial, language or religion groups or caste or communities. Okay, so those who are doing like this shall be punished with imprisonment which may extend to 3 years or with fine or with both. And the last one, section 505 subclass 3 explain about whoever commits an offence specified in subsection 2 in any place of worship or in any assembly engaged in performance of religion, worship or religious ceremonies shall be punished with imprisonment which may extend to 5 years and shall also liable to fine. Okay, the only one exception is available, that is it does not amount to an offence with the meaning of this section when the person making, publishing or circulating any such statement, rumor or report as reasonable grounds, reasonable, that means reasonable grounds for believing that such a statement, rumor or report is true and makes, publishes or circulates it in good faith and without any such intent as aforesaid. So these are all exception category of this IPC 505 subclass 1 subclass 2 subclass 3. Okay, fine. Okay student, this section is aimed at reports calculated to produce mutiny or to induce one section of the population to commit offences against another, and to prevent and remove communal and religious tensions. Here, the Supreme Court has held that provision of the sections are not unconstitutional as being violative of the fundamental rights of freedom of speech and expression under Article 19 subclause 1A of the Constitution and subsection subclause 2 and subclause 3 of this section 505 of IPC and section 506 and section 507 of Indian Penal Code can be made cognizable offences in specified areas by the state government by notification in official gazette under section 10th of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 1932. Okay, a mere threat which causes no alarm to the complainant does not constitute an offence under this section. And also section 153 and 505 of IPC, 153A of IPC and 505 of IPC explain it is necessary under section 505 that there should be a publication of words or representation intended for promoting feelings of enmity or hatred, but this is not necessary under section 153A. Inciting of the feelings of one group merely without any reference to another group does not attract under section 153A or 505 of IPC. Here the court referred to the decision in Balwant Singh vs State of Punjab case, where the ruling was that mens rea is necessary ingredient for the offence or under section 153A. Mens rea is an equally necessary postulate for the offence under section 505 of 505 subclause 2 also, as could be discerned from the words with intent to create or promote or which is likely to create or promote as used in the subsection. The court also referred to the decision in Sunilakia Chowdhury vs H.M. Jadwit case. Okay, Sunilakia, Sunilakhya, Sunilakia Chowdhury, Chowdhury Chowdhury versus H.M. Jadwit, Jadwet case, and wherein it was held that the words makes or publishes any imputation should be interpreted as words supplementing each other. A maker of imputation without publication is not liable to be punished under section 499 of IPC, that means defamation. Okay, the same interpretation is warranted in respect of the words makes, publishes or circulates in section 505 of IPC also. Okay, and also I just wanted to give a small reference case. Here, accused allegedly published a news item in his newspaper that some explosive has been recovered from house of a person who was then the chief minister. In the entire news item, there is no reference to two communities for the purpose of inciting feeling of one community against other. It only narrated about paramilitary forces operating in that area and recovering certain arms from possession of persons, including the named persons. Here, the ingredients constituting offence under section 153A 505 of IPC. Here, prima facie were not established. Prima facie were not established in this section. Okay. Okay, students. Now it's clear, I think so, because this is section 505 subclass 1, section 505 subclass 2, section 505 subclass 3 is over. Okay, and also alternate IPC also we discussed section 153A of IPC, how the court was interpreted the above cases and all. Okay students, I'm closing the session. Okay, we'll meet you with next new section. Okay, new section means already as per our IPC. Bye. Thank you.